Some of the best advice I'd give to a person beginning their figure drawing venture as an artist is to break down the human figure into simple shapes like circles, ovals, and rectangles. This helps you understand proportions and structure overall. Some other advice I would give is to study anatomy and basic anatomy to grasp the underlying structure of the human body. This knowledge enhances the accuracy of human figures. And one of the best tips of great figure drawing is to practice gesture drawing. Practice quick gesture drawings to capture the essence and movement of a figure. Try drawing figures that are in movement, figures that are in action, because this will create some sort of familiarity with how the human figure resembles to its nature when it comes to overall, like, the environment, I guess. Focus on fluid lines and avoid getting caught up in details initially. That's what gesture drawing is about, and I think that's what figure drawing is about. It's not about getting caught in details, it's more about getting caught in the flow of the artwork you're trying to create.